Okay, I just did a whole video. Right now it's not showing my top light screen share. Oh, come on, Zoom. No, I don't want notes. For some reason it's not picking up. There's Tokyo now. Oh, so this is the 400 total magnification view of the white fungal looking, bacterial looking growth inside of my scrap bucket in my kitchen, which is mostly carbon substances. But I just did a full video of recording and realized I was not recording. So I want to get back to where I had just kind of zipped around and just show you something here. This is just whatever this glob here is what the white structure basically is. And then living all around this white structure, you'll just see, and I can't get into the white structure to see what it is, but it has all these things around it living with it. So obviously that's an amoeba. There's lots of amoebas here. And then if you see these hair-like appendages coming off of here, these are fungal hyphae. Some you can, these are a little bit clogged with bacteria, but I'm gonna keep looking here because I found some really good ones out here that you could see the septa. So I didn't know if these fungal hyphae are just directing all of these. Okay, that one's broke off and there is no septa. Are directing these bacteria to do all of this organizing into a structure so they can form some symbiotic relationship there. I'm not sure, but it's super cool that once you zoom in on all this. So here we have more fungi. Hyphae. I got slow. There's a septa I'm seeing, I believe, right there. But this one is, it's just so foggy with so much life that it's really super hard to see. But I can just tell that this is definitely, you know, there's fungal hyphae here, but it's not that this is just fungal hyphae. I don't know if these fungal hyphae symbiotically make these huge looking structures by gaining the help of these bacteria. Okay, so that almost looks like a naked amoeba there, but it's not moving. So I didn't realize there was so much life in that bucket. Or just looked like one thing growing. But then now you zoom in on it, and there's just so many of these things. A goblet of them. Whatever that one is, it's kind of cloudy. But here is where I can clearly show you some septa, I think, if I would have recorded the last time. So fungal hyphae coming out of here. But the septa aren't really, yeah. I think I see, like, if I'm focusing, pay attention where that septa, 1, 2, 3. Am I correct? 4 on that septa. 5. Going right down through there. Now let me try to do this with the left hand. And let me try to point out where I'm seeing the septa. Okay, here we go. We're about right in here. Yeah, see, I'm not seeing them going the wrong way. Okay, one right there. One septa, or is that the bacteria? That may be, I thought it might have moved. Okay, two septa right there. Okay, three septa right there. And I believe there's a fourth about right in here. It's covered by something, but this looks like a fifth septa here. And I'm not focusing on up into here. But I think that's what I'm seeing. And then down here below, do you just see all those round blobs? All, I'm gonna say amoebae. What type of amoebae? I'm not 100% sure. They look like stars out in the galaxy, though. They are the stars in this composting operation. Look at them all. Oh my goodness. So that is all from within whatever that white stuff is. I just cut off a little chunk, kind of smashed it on the slide because it is so thick. I wanted to be able to get the cover slip on so I could use the 400 total magnification. And this is what I got. It does not really break up very easily, the main white part. I feel like all we're seeing is just structures like that are living on with the main white structure. So this is like maybe piece of the white structure. Obviously some sort of a maybe glycocalyx type thing. I've never seen a multiple species organism like this before, but it seems like there is certain amoebae living within it. Or is this, I don't know. It's an interesting structure, no less, and I don't think it is fungal. But I could be wrong. This looks more bacterial. But it's an interesting little bacterial colony, the way it grew. So what here is, I don't know, part of it with a large something vacuole, maybe. That I'm not sure. So I'm just kind of going around the edge of that structure, see if we can figure out what it is. It's hard to see it because it's not clear, it's opaque. But see, there's cells or something. I guess we would have to just keep splicing down and splicing down. Definitely loaded with bacteria and protozoa. So we can add this as an inoculum into our bins. All right, thanks for watching. I found this here structure in my compost bin. I'm not sure if it's fungal or bacterial. I looked at it under the microscope, but I can't figure out exactly what it is. So if anybody in the composting world, fungal world knows what this is, please comment so I can do a little more research on this organism. In the link below here, wherever you link in related videos, I have a video of what it looks like under the microscope. There is some fungal hyphae, but it seems to be covered in bacteria, so much so that it's very hard to see. So I'm not sure if this is what an underground fungal hyphae would look like with its bacterial friends.